Well, this is Trucker Jukebox. Just thought I'd try to do a short video. I'm in Wood County Hospital in Bowling Green, Ohio. And it became an issue. I couldn't breathe. That's what got me here to start with. And of course, the heart has a lot to do with helping you breathe, right? Plus my blood pressure was almost, what they say, 230 something one number, and it was 2 something with the other number. So my blood pressure was about to send me somewhere other than where I'm at. Other words, if you know what I'm saying. So they got the blood pressure down. They got me breathing okay. I had a lot of water on my chest. I was congested, and but they got all that water off my chest, and they're giving me blood thinners, a few other things, but tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow they're going to clean my arteries out. They're going to go in there and whatever they do with the heart. And they're going to go up through my, well, I don't know how to say all this, but they're going to go in there and clean me out. And with that being said, there ain't much else to say except for I am in the hospital. It's all no joke. I'm here. It is what it is. Jake and Panda, they're at my mom's. They're being taken care of. So I guess Mom said they're missing me. Of course, I'm missing I'm missing. See, I miss being at work. I miss being back at work. But I guess sometimes God is going to make you take a break whether you want it or not. So I guess all I'm saying is tomorrow is the big day. And they're going to do surgery on me. So I'll either make it or I won't. And there's people out there that will probably let you know. We got Don Winokur, Scott, my friend Scotty Wise, and I'll let you know how it goes. But anyway, with that being said, I'm going to smile for y'all. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully. Hopefully. See, you say that like it's like nothing's going to happen. You take granted your day. You take granted of what the stuff you go through. So let's just put it this way. I hope I get to see you guys tomorrow. I'll be in Bowling Green. No, not Bowling Green. I'll actually be in Toledo, Ohio. That's where they're going to do the surgery. But right now I'm in Bowling Green. I guess they don't do it here, but they do it over there. They're the heart specialist. But anyway, with that being said, thank you guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later.